Hello students, this is our fifth part of the chapter recent development in Indian politics। यहाँ हमने इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स के सारे डेवलपमेंट, रिसेंट डेवलपमेंट और पॉलिटिक्स में जो जो चेंजेस आ रहे थे 90s और 90s से पहले और 90s के बाद में, उसको हमने इस चैप्टर में समझा था। अब कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स है जो हमको समझना ज़रूरी है इस चैप्टर में। लेट्स रीड दीज फैक्ट्स। ड्यूरिंग द डिकेड ऑफ 85 development took place in country with long lasting impact. End of Congress system in 1980, Mandal issue in 1990, new economic reform in 1991, Ayodhya dispute in 1992 and assassination of Rajiv Gandhi in 1991. Election in 1989 lead an era of coalition with the defeat of Congress party, and it emerged several parties when no single party secured a clear majority of seats in any Lok Sabha election held since 1989, and in this era regional parties played a crucial role in forming ruling alliances. Third one, the 90s also saw the emergence of powerful parties and movement to represent the Dalits and backward caste as well as regional assertions. Now there have been 9 governments at the center which have either been coalition government or minority governments supported by other parties or regional parties only. Fourth one is the Mandal issue started with the National Front government's decision to implement the recommendation of Mandal Commission that jobs in central government should be reserved for other backward castes, leading to violent anti-Mandal protest in country between supporters and opponents of OBC reservations. Fifth one, the constituents of Janata Party like Bharatiya Kranti Dal and the Samyukt Socialist Party had a powerful rural base among some sections of the OBC as well as BAMCEF. Backward and minority classes employees federation was formed in 1978, taking strong position in favor of political power to Bahujan, the SC, ST, OBC and minorities. It resulted the rise of the Bahujan Samaj Party under the leadership of Kashiram. Hindutva literally means Hinduism defined by its originator V.D. Savarkar as basis of Indian nationhood. To be member of Indian nation, everyone must not only accept India as their fatherland, Pitrubhu, but also as their hold land, Punyabhu. So this was all about for today's lecture. Thank you, children.